Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is part 3 of my little test jig test fixture for FMR modules. And I kind of promised you guys I'd let you see the final product. So let's just take a quick look at it. If I can never seem to find the right camera for that thing. There it is. Alrighty, I have finished the construction. I've labeled the controls so I can remember what they do. I've got a little bottom base on it I made it a point to make the base wood instead of metal because in the middle of a job you never know what I'm going to have to set this thing on top of. It could be a radio all strewn about on the bench. So anyway, and of course I have a hold down device with a little clear acrylic deal that I'm just going to slide over it. So we'll just go ahead and show you how we do this thing real quick. Just going to put this right down on the pins. Like that. Got to be careful not to misalign the pins. Alrighty, and then we're just going to slide this piece of acrylic on there. Push it down a little bit, slide the piece of acrylic on there, and that's going to hold her down. And then we're just going to make our connections real quick. Antenna and the power plug, and turn her on. And there we go. Do a little tuning. And of course, this is just a very small amount of travel with that much of the tuner there, so we have to be kind of precise. And that's pretty much it. When I finish testing it, all I gotta do is just pull that piece of acrylic out of there. Board pulls right out, and she's ready to go. So I've reduced the time to test a module from more than an hour to it's probably taken me less than a minute to perform this test. So, and I'm actually going to store this thing to protect these delicate pins. I'm going to go ahead and store this thing with a module mounted on it, because that way if anything falls on it or if anything butts up against it, it'll butt up against the module and not hurt the pins. So, and there we go. So pretty cool. It's kind of a momentous occasion in my life because I'm going to save myself just tremendous amounts of times, and also going to start being able to turn units faster than I have been. So this is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. If you have an 8-track in need of service, either for home or for car use, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. Same goes for a classic car AM radio that you would like to add FM to, and a ton of more output power, additional possibilities of Bluetooth, USB, and now I have a way to do things a lot faster with my super cool test jig, brought about by years of working in factories. So my website is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track deck's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.